Alright, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to R&R Canoe Adventures, and one more episode of Fishing with Island Rob for this day, which is day 10 here on the adventure. 21-9 nights alone on the edge of Appalachia. We're going to give it about another 30 minutes of casting around, and this old boy has got to head back to camp. His eyes smell like buffalo butt, and I need that sun shower. So, anyhow, let's get this show on the road, cast around. I have not got one fish in the boat, that is, for the past 2 or 3 episodes. Maybe we can get one in this 30 minutes. Let's try it out. It is getting more towards evening. That might increase our chances. I don't know. I think it's like 4:17, 4:18 in the afternoon. Ooh, I thought I felt a little nibble just then. Little nibbles just ain't gonna work though. We need a fish. Yesterday, had I known whether you could eat the fish or not, I could have eaten like a king yesterday. Big fish just jumped. Wow. Another leaf fish off the hook there. Hard for me to believe we haven't got one fish. Well, I gotta say, not one in the boat anyways. Hey. We finally got something, y'all, if you don't come off. I'm not going to count it. And he did. No, he's still on there. Oh, seriously? Oh, no, he's still on. I thought for sure he got off. Finally, y'all, we got his little fish. We'll take him for sure. Been all day long trying to catch some, and just to show you all you know to a fish, and just have not been having the luck. But like I was saying, it is getting towards evening time, and maybe that will help. But there he is, y'all. Check him out. He's pretty, ain't he? Look at the mouth on him. Woohoo! All right. Had to do that picture pose there. Like I say, in case I want to get a picture of me with him later, I can just clip a pic right off of there. Can't believe it, we finally caught a fish, y'all. This is about episode 4, I think, for day 10 here. Can't believe that, finally. It would have been 2 bass for the day. Of course, not 2 bass in the same episode, though. kind of going on the advice of my wife, making my episodes a little bit shorter. We're rolling with 30 minutes. That is much shorter than usual. At least half as short, you know. Okay, one more cast down that way. And then I'm going to paddle us back that way a little bit. And then we'll float around some more. All right. Let's get us back down there a little ways, y'all. Just noticed, didn't notice it before either, that little grub is starting to come off that jig head again. I'm going to have to fix that before I cast. I'm pretty sure it was not supposed to rain today, but it's looking like it could. One thing I did notice too, that fish that just caught, he was off the same side that I've caught all the fish on. Other side over there, have not got one fish from that bank. Well, the sun has come back out at least. So maybe it won't rain. All right, let's fix this lure and get some casts around, y'all. Yep, he's definitely coming off there. It's a bummer deal too, because I don't have, I have no more. I guess this one is getting to the wore out point or something. I don't know. Cannot say for sure. He has caught a number of fish on this little guy, for that is for sure. Ooh. That's not good. Cast right into the roots and stuff on the bank over there. do a little correction paddling, y'all. Ooh, that was close. I was right in the weeds again. And I overcorrected with this paddle too. Oh, it's raining. That's not good, y'all. Not good at all. I'm headed back towards camp. I'll keep y'all with me, but I might not be able to finish this episode. Not with fishing anyways. Wow. I'm sure y'all don't really mind going for a paddle anyways, do you? First day it's rained. This is day 10. At least it's not hammering the rain. I spoke too soon. Alright, y'all, I might have to stop this, put the camera up. I will catch you all later on tonight. The rain slowed down considerably, at least if it stays like this. I think the solar Jenny will be alright. So we'll cast around a little bit more. Try to finish this episode of Fishing with Island Rob instead of having to blend it with the dinner video. Get us in about 15 minutes of fishing and we would be golden, you know. But at the same time, if it ruins the solar Jenny, that's that. That is how I stay powered on adventures like this, where there is no plug-ins. This looks like a good area. Excuse me. Yes, it quit raining, y'all. Quit raining. Nothing to stress on now. All right. Try to sit that down quietly. Perfect. The wind has died down. Almost non-existent. Ooh, oh, I thought I had a bite. It was a leaf, y'all. A leaf. Story of my day. Leaves upon leaves. Or leaves upon leaves, I should say. Got to work on that for a second. Kind of wrapped around funny the way it's not supposed to be. Well. Alright. I think we got him corrected. I think. We'll see. Seems to be running correctly, at least. At least I think so. Yep. So now, after all that jazz, y'all, we're getting out of position. Well, dang on it. Well, set it down. Hope we don't get it snagged up. Hurry up, get him wound back in, y'all. Having issues here. Alright, I'm going to pause this for a second, get us back in a good spot. Alright, y'all, I got us back in a pretty decent little spot. We'll cast around some more. Finish off this episode and get headed back to camp. At least we did get to see one little fish. I don't recall whether it was this episode or not. I don't think it was. I'm not sure though. Ooh, almost right in that log. Tell you what, this wind today is not cooperating with me at all. Can't hardly even fish, y'all. That's alright. It's still been a fun day. Tried to find the blue heron, you know, and all that, and no luck with that, but at least we tried. Maybe we'll see him before this adventure's over. I have 19 days left after today. Tell you what, no matter what area I pick to cast to, the boat moves. And that just ain't no good, y'all. Need to invent me some kind of little anchor. One for the front, one for the back, maybe with a big piece of rock or something, where I can get stopped where I want and just cast around. Have not been getting the hits today like what I expected. That's what happens though. It's like yesterday, I did not expect to get any hits and got a fair amount of fish, you know, all different kinds and stuff. Here on day 10, yeah, not so much. Definitely worth a try though. Always is. Even if you don't catch nothing, you know? Don't catch anything at all. Oh, can't tell if that went over that branch. Yep, it did. Oh, it came right off though. Got lucky. Wow. Not too bad when the wind doesn't blow at all, you know. When it blows just a little bit, throws the whole game off, y'all. Ooh. Thought we was onto something there. Maybe we was. Maybe he grabbed it. All right. Well, I think that's probably pretty close to a 30-minute episode. Cast around a few more times just to kind of be sure and all. Well, maybe next episode when actual fishing is going on, maybe we'll do better. Maybe we'll catch more fish. And again, maybe it'll be exactly the same. Won't catch hardly nothing at all. So I'm telling. Well, gotta fix this. This is not good. All right, yeah. Yeah, it's been a good day at least. Had a lot of fun. All right, I'm going to call that today's episode, this week's episode. And now, since I believe I've got almost a full episode together, we'll just let it stand by itself. Next episode will be later tonight. Around camp, having some dinner. All right, that's going to do it, y'all. Until next week, bye for now.